On today's episode of Designing Spaces, when it comes to finding a contractor you can trust, one company makes it easy to get connected with one. Looking for fun, engaging, as well as educational toys for the kids? Fisher-Price is the only name you need to know. The folks at Contractor Connection have some great reconstruction advice for those who've experienced a natural disaster. You depend on your battery to get you started every day. If it stalls, so do you. Walmart's EverStart will never leave you stranded. Need smart home devices that play well with Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, and won't charge a monthly fee? 2 words: iDevice products. Designing Spaces begins now. A home needs protection, and so do you when it comes to home repair projects.
There are several things that you must consider before investing your hard-earned dollars into a home improvement project. Obviously, your goal is to end up with a project that you're proud of. It's important first to know who the contractors are that you have to select from, and secondly, it's important that you understand how the contract process works and how that works in your favor.
So every homeowner should ask the following question before investing that hard-earned money.
How do I protect myself during a project?
First, you need to be smart about choosing the right contractor.
You want to choose a contractor that you can trust. You want to choose a contractor that's licensed and insured and is going to deliver quality work in a timely manner. You want to make sure you get estimates in advance. Lastly, bidding wars are a thing of the past. With a network of 5,000 contractors, ContractorConnection.com can provide you with a trusted, licensed, insured contractor who will deliver quality work in a timely manner for your project.
Next, you need to be smart about the contract itself.
You don't want to sign a contract with any blanks on it, because those blanks can be filled in later with information that you have no idea how it got there. It's always important that you insist on a written contract. It needs to be very specific in when the work will start, when the work is expected to be completed, and what is the work that you will receive at the end of the project.
Finally, make sure you're also covered for contractor damage or issues.
You want to make sure that your contractor has the basic of insurance. You want to make sure that they have general liability insurance and workers' compensation insurance. So using ContractorConnection.com can save you hassle and frustration by ensuring that the contractor that you provide will have that right insurance in place, will pay all of their subcontractors timely, and deliver a quality project at the end of the day.
For more information, visit ContractorConnection.com or go to designingspaces.tv.
I love looking for toys, but it is very challenging because there's a lot of variety and sometimes they just don't last that long.
Most parents today have limited space and limited dollars, so when it comes to toys and gifts, parents want to add items to their children's play areas that are fun, engaging, long-lasting, and durable, but also provide a purpose.
We test all of the toys that are designed and developed at Fisher-Price.
Fisher-Price's Play Lab takes the guesswork out of choosing the perfect playroom items for kids, testing over 1,200 toys per year, so families like the Druseys can find the right fit for their home and their budget.
We really try to make sure that they're perfect for the little hands that they end up in.
When you have the right toy with the right environment, you can create experiences with each other. And I have 3 boys and a girl.
So as a mom to 4 children, Mari Drusey was looking for tips to upgrade her playroom with a purpose. Fisher-Price came in with the perfect toys and the perfect tip.
It's easy to forget sometimes when you're thinking about milestones or academics, letters and numbers, how very, very important creativity and imagination are. Every kid has a wild and wonderful imagination inside, and bringing that out is so much fun.
One great toy to spark creativity and imagination is the Wayne Manor Bat Cave from Imaginext.
The Bat Cave was such a hit. Their imagination was on. It was a switch on. From the 4-year-old up to the 9-year-old. I mean, it's incredible how they, as soon as they saw it, they were able to figure out which area of this Bat Cave was for them. One of them was focused on the launcher. The other one was focused on the jail area. The other one was focused on the top portion where you can actually stand the superheroes and they can watch everyone, you know, all the bad guys come by. It was just amazing for me as a mom to see that your child is really involved and really into this kid world, which it's not easy to find anymore. And you know, I want them to be kids for a very long time. And the longer they can use toys that give them this experience, the happier I think every mom will be. And I was very happy seeing that.
For more information, visit fisherprice.com or our website, designingspaces.tv.
Natural disasters like hurricanes, tornadoes, and floods can occur anywhere in the country. The key is to be prepared for them.
Obviously, there's always the natural disasters, hurricanes, hails, windstorm, other weather events. But there are other types of disasters that people often don't think about. Unknown water damage to your house, fires, and other types of incidents that happen at your home. And you really should be prepared for any type of emergency at any time.
Which leaves every homeowner with an important question to ask.
How do I plan for a natural disaster or emergency?
First, you need to plan ahead for any possible emergency.
Disasters and emergencies can happen at any time, so first, it's always important to keep valuable records handy. Have your insurance policy, other valuable records in a safe place at all times. It's a good idea to photograph your property to make sure that you have photographic evidence of what you had and what it looked like before the natural disaster. And lastly, you want to know who you reach out to after an emergency has occurred at your house.
Next, do your best to disaster-proof your home.
In a severe storm, ordinary items around your house can become dangerous projectiles that could cause injury or damage to your home and to your property. So it's important that you secure unsecured items throughout the house. Secondly, it's important that you repair any damages in your house or need defective wiring or any defective plumbing lines in your home. And then lastly, you should board up your home according to any pre-storm plans that you've already established.
And most importantly, create an emergency plan.
So the best defense in any emergency is to have a plan and to be prepared. First, you want to meet with your family and talk about what are you going to do if you have an emergency and you have to evacuate your home quickly. And then after an emergency, it's important to have a service available to you to help you recover from that emergency. A service like ContractorConnection.com is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to be there for you when you might need them most.
For more information, visit ContractorConnection.com or go to designingspaces.tv. Just a typical day for the Champagne family. Morning routine in high gear.
Coffee?
Yes, please.
I have such a busy day today.
Yeah?
Yes. Jaden?
Yeah.
Can you come here? What do you want for breakfast, bud?
Cereal.
Cereal?
Cereal.
Okay, awesome. Let's get some cereal for Jaden.
You excited for Jackson's birthday?
Yeah.
You getting a gift from him today, huh?
How was soccer last night, bud? I meant to ask you.
Good.
Did you meet some new friends?
Yeah.
Did you score a goal?
Yeah.
Of course.
Good job, bud. All right, sweetie, we're leaving, okay?
Oh, okay.
Have a great
All right.
day.
Have a great day, too. Bye, bud.
Bye.
All right.
The battery's dead.
With a list of stops to make, there was no time for the car to stop.
We have this awesome day planned, errands to run, and what do you know, our battery's dead.
So the car won't start?
Just won't start.
Probably gonna have to get your keys, get a jump so that we can get our day started.
We have jumper cables, so hopefully Kurt can figure it out so we can get our day going.
We're gonna have to find out where we can get a battery.
In the meantime, I'm gonna go inside, do some research online, see if I can find myself a battery. My first thought is go to walmart.com, see what they have in stock. Sure enough, they have something to fit our Tahoe.
Thank goodness that Walmart is basically one-stop shop. I mean, checked online, they have the battery we need.
That was perfect.
That was perfect.
Good morning, welcome to Walmart Auto Care Center. How can I help you?
Good morning, we have a dead battery.
Oh, you come to the right location. Why you don't come inside so we can help you out?
Okay, perfect. Oh yeah, look at all the batteries.
Perfect.
So you said that you have issues with your battery?
Yeah, the battery died this morning. We had to jump the vehicle and
I went online at walmart.com and I saw that we put our make and model in and maybe you had something to offer?
Yeah, we do have the Everstar batteries. They're great batteries and we have different warranties that we can offer for you. Also, we can test and check the battery for free and install it for free.
Perfect.
That's great.
All at the same location.
yeah, warranty's
That's wonderful.
awesome.
So let me introduce you to Winton, our battery specialist.
Perfect.
Good morning.
Great to meet you.
Hi. Hi, nice to meet you.
Here, let me show you what we got.
Thank you.
What kind of truck do y'all have?
2010 Chevy Tahoe.
We looked online and saw you maybe carried EverStart.
We carry EverStart, have been for 20 years. H6 will be what you guys require.
Okay.
It's designed along the exact same dimensions, requirements that came in your truck.
Okay.
So it's a perfect fit. They had done their homework online and knew that the H6 was the battery for their vehicle.
What about warranty? Do you guys do anything like that?
Warranty on the Max, which is what we're going to put in your truck, is a 5-year warranty, 3-year free replacement. If you have a problem anywhere in the country, you can take it back to any Walmart and your warranty will be honored.
Oh, that's convenient. Yeah.
That's great.
Walmart was close by, so it was convenient. Hunter was able to look up online to make sure the battery was in stock, and we're here now getting it installed.
And is there an installation fee?
No installation fee. It's
free installation.
Completely free installation.
I like that.
That's great.
What happens to our old battery?
Walmart is in the sustainability business. We take them back.
Oh, wow.
So 99% of everything that comes out of these batteries goes back into other consumer products.
That makes me happy.
That's great, yeah.
You're getting the top-rated battery at a Walmart value price, so let's get your installation going.
Thank you so much.
So far, customer service has been great. Very informative. They talked about warranties, battery options for our jet ski, our truck. It's great.
Installation has started. Kurt's gonna wait. In the meantime, since we're at Walmart, I'm gonna get some shopping done with Jaden, go buy a birthday present, and we'll get it all done in one stop.
Hunter and Jaden are off shopping. I'm just waiting and should be done soon.
That matches your soccer shoes too. Good job, bud. We're here at Walmart. Everyone is so friendly and so informative. I'm even learning some stuff about batteries, which is great. They have a battery for us.
Now they're going to pull the truck in the back where a trained technician is going to use state-of-the-art testing equipment to make sure that the battery is in fact the problem. They'll test the battery, they'll test the system, make sure that when they leave here they're going to be completely satisfied.
Once the battery has been selected, the installation by Walmart's trained and certified technicians is quick and easy. Plus, Walmart Auto Care Centers recycles all batteries that are replaced, taking the best care of their customers and the environment.
EverStart seems to be a great product. I'm excited to have it in a truck.
So how was your experience?
Experience was great.
It was awesome.
Thank you for choosing EverStart batteries.
Excellent.
Thank you
Thanks
so much.
again.
Have a nice one.
Providing the power to keep your vehicles going strong, EverStart knows performance is not an option. It's an expectation. Their favorite sound is an engine roaring to life.
It went really smoothly. Got the battery. Truck starts. It's great.
I got all my shopping done. It couldn't have been a better experience.
And I got a soccer ball.
Well, that was super quick. Batteries changed on the truck. I feel so much better.
So do I. And we saved so much time, Jaden, by just doing it at Walmart. Do you want to go to the park?
Yay!
Nice.
Well, I brought snacks for you.
Definitely need snacks.
Meet Katie, pediatrician, social media influencer, wife, and mom of 2. You could say her life is pretty hectic.
Being that I'm a pediatrician and I work in an emergency room setting, my hours can be different and vary depending upon the shift that I take. I wanted to feel some safety, some security coming home at late hours, and that's why I found iDevices. The process was super easy. I went online, I picked out what works for me and my family. An electrician came out, the install was quick, it was easy, and now I've had so much fun customizing it to my needs and my family's needs. You know, it's interesting, I was attracted to iDevices for the security, but then I found that it was so convenient and helped me in so many different areas as a mother. Hey Siri, I'm home. So whether I have a bunch of things in my arms and I can't get to the lights, being able to say dinner time and have the lights come on and the television go off just makes life easier.
So iDevices is really the preeminent home automation company out there today. We use switches, dimmers, outlets, and thermostats to allow a consumer to really customize their home using the Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, as well as Apple's Siri.
Alexa, it's dinner time.
iDevices does have a unique feature in all of our products that we've developed, and it's a nightlight feature. The nightlight typically is purple and you take it out of the box and set it up, but it's a customizable light to any color that your heart desires, whether it's white all the way to pink, green, yellow, whatever it may be. So just a nice little hidden Easter egg for the customers to use in their products.
It's made bedtime really fun and easy with my children, and they're excited to be a part of the process. My daughter's favorite part of this whole experience has absolutely been the nightlight. I hope you have sweet dreams. What color did you pick for tonight?
Purple.
Okay, good. Night, love. Hey, Surrey. Good night, Charlie.
Good night to you too.
She can pick a different color every night, and then when she goes to bed, there's a nice glow.
I can see through the dark so I don't get scared.
The kids are asleep. The nightlight is amazing. Charlie absolutely loves picking out all the different colors. It's just really special to me. iDevices gives me that convenience, and it gives me time back to spend with the people that I love.
She can use our voice commands with Alexa, Siri, or Google's Assistant to really turn things on and off around the home, saving her precious minutes in the day. Those minutes can be put back into spending time with her kids and her husband, and that's what's most valuable.
And now it's time for movie night with my husband. Thanks, babe.
No problem.
Ugh, I'm so excited to relax.
Me too. Hey Siri, it's movie night. I'm so happy with iDevices. I like all the new technology integrating voice command with Siri and Alexa.
And it's just so nice. I love the convenience and just having that extra special time with our family.
For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to learn how to be part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv. You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces. Make a space you can call home, living the lifestyle you desire. It's what we're all about. We are Designing Spaces.